Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you a story, The Golden Plate. Once upon a time, there were two people named Sundar and Patel. So Sundar and Patel both were vendors. They used to sell metal articles in villages and towns. So both of them used to sell same kind of metals. So they would also sell dishes and also bracelets and other jewelry too. But all of them were not made out of precious metals. So their business was not going so well. So both of them did a plan. So after crossing a river, a village is going to come. So they decided to divide the village into half. So Sundar should go into the first half and Patel should go into the second half. They must try to sell their metal articles in those two places. If one of them is not able to sell in that area, they will exchange those and they will go to other half and the one in that will come to this half. So they planned it out like this. So Sundar was a very kind and honest person, but Patel was a bit cunning and greedy one. So Patel went into the half of the village. So when he was shouting about selling those articles, a poor little girl came out of the house and asked him for a bracelet. Patel wondered if the girl will be able to pay something. So he said, I can't waste my time with people like you. You will not be able to afford this bracelet. So don't waste my time. Then the poor little girl felt very sad and she went to her grandma. So their house was full of dust, mice, and it was not very good. She asked her grandma for money, but her grandma said, we don't have any money, but take this plate. Ask for him to trade it. So she went and said him that, invited him into their home. So she asked him that she will give him this plate and he have to give her the bracelet. So Patel saw their house and was amazed because their house was full of dust and not very good. When he took the plate and rubbed it was very shiny and he found out that it was a very golden plate. Because he was greedy, he wanted to take it. But what he thought was, rather than giving her a bracelet, he decided to leave from there and come after a while after they lose their hope, so that he could get the golden plate in free. So he said it was worthless and he went away. So Sundar was not able to sell in his half, so he was hoping to sell something in this part and he came. So he went to the same girl's house and the girl again asked for the bracelet. She also said that she will not be able to pay anything. Then he said that no problem, even though you can't afford it, I will give you if you give me something to trade. So he went into the house and they gave the same plate to Sundar. When Sundar rubbed the plate, he found out that it was a golden plate and he felt surprised. He said to the child and the grandma that this is a golden plate and it is worth more than 1,000 pieces of coins and it would make them rich. So the grandma and the child knew that the Patel lied to them. So they appreciated the honesty of the Sundar and let him keep the plate. In return, he gave them all the metal articles he had. So he, in a boat, crossed the river. So when Patel came and found out that Sundar already took the plate, he felt very sad and realized his mistake. he was never greedy again.